1. What is engineering graphics? A visual language used to communicate engineering ideas through drawings. 2. What is an engineering drawing? A technical document that conveys the shape, size, and features of an object. 3. What is BIS? Bureau of Indian Standards prescribing drawing norms in India. 4. What is ISO? International Standards Organization that sets global drawing standards. 5. What is a projection? A method of representing 3D objects on a 2D plane. 6. What is orthographic projection? A method where views are drawn using perpendicular projectors. 7. What is first-angle projection? Projection where the object lies between observer and plane. 8. What is third-angle projection? Projection where the plane lies between observer and object. 9. What are principal views? Front, top, and side views of an object. 10. What is isometric drawing? A 3D view where all axes are 120 degrees apart. 11. What is an isometric scale? A scale used to convert true lengths to isometric lengths. 12. What is dimensioning? Indicating size and location of features on a drawing. 13. What is a leader line? A line that connects a note or dimension to a feature. 14. What is a section view? An internal view obtained by cutting the object. 15. What is hatching? Parallel lines used to show cut surfaces. 16. What is a cutting plane line? A line that shows where the object is cut. 17. What is freehand sketching? Drawing without instruments to quickly communicate ideas. 18. What is a scale? A tool for enlarging or reducing dimensions. 19. What is the purpose of a title block? It provides essential information like name, scale, and date. 20. What is a true length? The actual length of a line in 3D space. 21. What is an apparent length? The projected length seen in a view. 22. What is a plane surface? A flat surface with 2 dimensions. 23. What is a solid? A 3D object having volume. 24. What is a prism? A solid with 2 parallel equal faces and rectangular sides. 25. What is a pyramid? A solid with a polygonal base and triangular faces meeting at a point. 26. What is a frustum? A cut portion of a solid between 2 parallel planes. 27. What is a development of surface? A flat pattern of a 3D object. 28. What is a locus? A path traced by a moving point. 29. What is a helix? A curve traced on a cylinder when rotated and moved axially. 30. What is a cycloid? A curve traced by a point on a rolling circle. 31. What is perspective drawing? A view showing objects as seen by human eye. 32. What is a reference plane? A plane used as a basis for projection, HP, VP. 33. What is the horizontal plane, HP? The plane representing top view. 34. What is the vertical plane, VP? The plane representing front view. 35. What is a profile plane? A plane for side views. 36. What is sectioning? The process of cutting an object to reveal internal details. 37. What is a full section? Cut along entire object. 38. What is a half section? Cutting away only half of the object. 39. What is an auxiliary view? A view used to show true shape of inclined surfaces. 40. What is a limit? Maximum and minimum permissible size. 41. What is a tolerance? Difference between upper and lower limits. 42. What is a geometric tolerance? Controls shape, position, or orientation of a feature. 43. What is surface roughness symbol? A mark showing required surface finish. 44. What is a datum? A reference feature for measurement. 45. What is a template? A pre-shaped tool used to draw standard shapes. 46. What is scale ratio? Ratio comparing drawing size to actual size. 47. What is a working drawing? Complete drawing used for manufacturing. 48. What is CAD? Computer-aided design for digital drafting. 49. What is parametric modeling? 3D modeling controlled by dimensions and constraints. 50. What is an assembly drawing? A drawing showing how parts fit together.